Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unblock someone on Messenger using your phone. So if you want to reconnect someone you've blocked, just follow these steps. Alright, let's start by opening Messenger app on your phone. From here, we're just a few taps away from unblocking someone. First, tap on three lines on the top left corner. Then tap on settings icon just right here. This will take you to a menu with a lot of options. Next, scroll down until you see privacy and safety. Go ahead and select blocked accounts right here. Here you'll see a list of everyone you've blocked on Messenger. To unblock someone, just tap on their name. You'll see an option to unblock them, tap on it, and that's it. They're unblocked and you can start messaging them again. But remember, unblocking someone on Messenger doesn't automatically make them your friend again on Facebook. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like help with. See you guys next time.